WWHM Report Generator. WWHM Report Generator uses Microsoft Word as a report writer. We'll load an existing project, then select the Analysis button and the drop-down. Select Report Generator, and this shows us a list of templates and reports that we have. At the moment we only have templates, so we'll open up our sample template. This opens up Word, and in this template there are already some text boxes, tables, and charts. These are the three types of things that the report generator can update. By selecting one of these, we can then select a function in the report generator control panel. The list of functions that we can use, the analysis functions that we can use, are listed. We're going to do a return period for POC1 in a text box. Click the refresh button to have it update the information in the text box. Select a table. We could put the same information there as well. It looks a little bit nicer because it's formatted properly. Selecting a chart allows us to select any of these functions and make a chart. The log scale is used typically in Western Washington for duration charts. And notice the log scale axis. For duration, you could also do a standard probability axis. And now you see why we use the log axis in Western Washington. It displays more information. In charts, you can also do hydrographs, for instance. And so we'll select annual for our 61 years, and there's the hydrograph. Notice that I select any of the objects that have previously had information updated in them. The control panel shows and remembers what was used to generate the results displayed in that control. If recharge is enabled for the model, then you can also display recharge information. When you close the report, it's automatically saved and can be reloaded at any time with its current settings. The report generator also allows you to import existing Word documents, such as this one, and to be able to select them and to put in information or to update information in them. It's all the same data, so it didn't change. However, for imported documents, the control panel doesn't know what the original settings were. Once a document is imported and a control has had information placed into it, then the control panel will remember what the contents of that particular control were. All documents that are imported are stored within the project. So when you save the model and copy it to a different computer, when you open it, those reports will be available on the other computer. This concludes our quick demonstration of the report generator.